Hey royalty, yes. I'm with my friend and he's from a different country, and so today there's like a lot of words that are like harder for him to say, but like to us like they're easy, but for him coming from a different country, he's like, what's the difference between those two? So today I'm gonna be asking him like, what's the meaning or what's the difference between the words, and I found some online and then he wrote some down himself like he doesn't understand. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to test him, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna do yours first.
Okay, do mine.
Okay. Thought.
Taught.
No, taught
Taught.
and thought.
And it's the same thing you just said.
Say thought.
Thought.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Teeth and yeah, teeth
Okay.
or thief. Thief.
Teeth. Teeth and thief.
Oh, you said thief.
Thief. The person who steals. Is this?
Yeah. Teeth.
Thief.
Teeth.
And the person that steals is
Thief.
thief. Okay.
Okay. Leave and live.
Okay, we have leave, which is like I'm going, like I'm leaving, and then I am living.
Yeah. You said it right.
Oh,
It's just
I
like you
got it,
like drag out your eye.
I got it.
Okay. Sheep and ship.
Okay.
Sheep.
Sheep, which is
You do say ship like sheep.
oh my god.
Say
Okay.
ship. Ship.
Sheep. Like
Yeah.
SHIP. Sheep.
Now say sheep.
Sheep. And is there a
Sheep.
difference between the two? I mean, I'm
is
saying
the
the
boat.
pronunciation is the same.
Yes. No, it's different. Ship is like ship.
Ship.
Fast. Ship. Like how you say
Sheep.
it. Yeah.
Sheep. Like sheep.
Yeah. And then sheep is like sheep.
Okay.
No.
Sheep.
Sheet.
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 Sheet. And the sheet is sheet. Okay. I want a sheet of paper. Sheet of paper.
Are you gonna do it in class? Like,
Huh?
you're
I
gonna do
don't.
that in class?
I stopped saying it because I was saying shit instead of the paper. I was just I did that out of paper, you know. Because I'm gonna have a paper, please.
Oh.
Heat to heat something. Heat. And another one is heat. There is no difference. Like okay.
You're laugh. Sit.
Seat.
Sit. Say sit.
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 Yeah. Sit.
Sit.
Yeah.
And that one, the other one?
The other one's seat. What you were saying.
Oh,
Yeah.
no
So-
seat.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
You're gonna be doing that when people come up to your house.
Have a seat.
Have a seat. Know the difference, though,
There's no
right?
have a seat. I know this word in chemistry, whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Beaker and beaker. No?
You're saying the same thing. Does it sound the same?
Okay.
Beaker and bicker. No, it sounds different. Mine sounds different. Beaker, bicker.
Yeah.
Dios amigo.
Bye. Thank you guys for watching.
Tell them to subscribe and like
Guys,
and
subscribe.
in Portuguese.
Por favor, subscrevem para a página dela. Muitas coisas boas, novidades boas. E estejam sempre atentos.
Okay, remember to go out to the world, spread peace, love, and kindness. See you next time. Bye.
Can't wait to get that vodka run, put it on my arm, just counted the 50 with my